Not this. This needs a carb kit and it craps out. Hard to start. It floods. I'm thinking the diaphragm is dry on it. Diaphragm is intact but was dry. But I'm not talking about that. That's only for the viewers who watched the last video. Because this thing used to do the same thing. And I fixed it. I got these headlights. There's some eBay deal. We got these pretty cheap. Now I have more headlights. Came with the brackets. I buy these headlights on eBay only because the local junkyards want crazy money for headlights. And they're always disgusting. So, it's pointless. And one of mine's stress cracking on the left side. So I just like spares when I find deals. These are from, these aren't actually too bad. These are from like up north. One's from like Kansas and one's from Indiana. I think this is the one from Kansas. So the one from Kansas, luckily, actually the one from Indiana, luckily one of these adjusters, they worked. So I understood how it worked. Turns like butter. What happens with these things, they freeze up. And I broke many and I stripped them. But if you look very closely, oh, hold on, we gotta get a better view and stop shaking this shit around. There we go, you see that? See how there's a little plastic piece that spins? See that? So there's a plastic piece that spins, and that's part of this. I think this goes through like a nylon little thing with threads, and that's what moves this in and out. This stays fixed, this post. When you get these frozen, you'll notice that this will spin. This will want to spin on you right here, this little plastic piece. As you see now, it stays fixed. So what the deal is, only way I found to get these unstuck in was actually you got to damage the ends. Try to get like vice grips or something on the very, very end. You're never going to use this. These like last 4 threads, you're never going to use it. So get it on the very last threads, put vice grips on it or a big thing of pliers, and then just keep on spraying it. Spray it, walk away, come back, spray it, walk away. Spray here, spray on this side especially because that's what the little piece is, and spray on the top. What the deal is though, this nylon piece, I guess it kind of like gets stuck to this brass, and that's what gives you the locked upness. And when you turn the thing, all you see is this moving. You see this one's still kind of stuck. See when I go back, watch, you'll see it rotate. And this thing makes awful noises. I just got this one unstuck. I had 3 that were stuck bad. And it was squeaking like crazy. No, this is the one I was working on behind me, never mind. This one actually wasn't too bad. This one was both stuck. But now this one is free. Move this one though, I just got this one unstuck. And is it gonna squeak for me? I'm gonna put this down. This one really was a ball breaker. Hear it? It was so much louder before. So you can get these unstuck. This takes time. Penetrating oil, you see it all over the cardboard. Yeah, put cardboard down so you don't wear it and doesn't get on your floor. Razor blade kind of works good. You go around the end and try to clean out the crap. Pick tool would work well. Let's go around, you know, try to like clean the threads on both sides because that's the first threads it's going to go. Another thing I found, when they're stuck, you're not going to be able to wiggle these too much. Well, especially the long one. When you free it up, or you know you're getting close to freeing it up, these will start rocking around. And these are Chevy headlights, by the way, 88, 98. They're all frozen. I think the ones on my truck are frozen too. But now these are not, so I can properly adjust my headlights. But again, vice grips, you know, these work too if you don't have vice grips. I started off with that. Then you have penetrating oil. And then another thing you could do, because you're going to get a little bit of movement on it, so you can leave your vice grips on here and just keep on rocking this. Like rocking it like so, and you'll see this just move a little bit. So just keep on doing that. And then you can take those off and put this on here and start rocking this, which is going to rock that. Just keep on going back and forth, you know, nice and gently. Let it soak, and when you get a little more movement, give it a little bit more cranking. You just got to go very, very easy, or else you break the pieces, which I have. And then it freewheels. Yeah. So that's how you unstick headlight adjusters. And I bet the ones on this car are frozen too. Different style though. This has the Torx and it goes into there. Maybe they're not, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, same thing. Get these brackets in the junkyard. I don't have any. When you wreck your car, the brackets break and you can't get them. Need those. Yeah, but these are good. At least now I have some headlights that I can adjust. I'm probably going to take off the ones on my truck now and free those ones up. What fun. I don't think the lights I got from Travis are frozen. I think I tested those. I think they moved. Or maybe they didn't. I don't know. I got to go find those in my hoard. Yeah, this place got to get cleaned out. You see, we actually get stuff done when we have a car here. No car in space. This place got to get cleared out though. I think the place across the street sold, so this place is going on the market soon. So that's cool. No more condo land. But that's how you do it. I hope this helps someone with my other random BS added in. But yeah, these things freeze up. Don't fuss. Take them out. Soak. Helps to have a spare set in case this is your only vehicle. If this is your only vehicle, you're going to be riding around with no headlights. Just take them out at night on the weekend, I guess, if you don't have to go anywhere. And keep on soaking them. Probably I'm into this, I don't know, maybe like 2 hours of soaking. Well, let's hear that squeak again. Hold on. Beautiful noise. And that's what you do. You just keep running them in and out until the squeak is gone. Another thing I guess you could do, you probably can get a nut that fits that and put that on first and then turn it off and you won't wreck those threads. I got a thread chaser. I'm going to try to throw it on there to try to repair that, but I don't think I'm ever going to use that spot right over there. Never seen it. That headlight's going to be way out for that to even be used. So don't worry about it. Just worry and. Alright, so that's how you do it. I'm kind of amazed this worked. This one is still tight. Again, just gotta keep going in and out. Might even hook this thing up to a drill on a slow speed and just keep working it in and out and break it good. Alright, hope that works. Hope that helps someone. And yeah, don't fuss when your headlights adjusters are frozen. And don't crank on them when they don't turn. You're just gonna wind up breaking them like I have in the past. Get better with age. Because that's what I would have did when I was a kid. Broke it. Then another nice service for 8898 truck. You can run a chaser through the headlight bracket and the bolt because it always gets rusty. Then you could use your choice of whatever to stop it from reoccurring. Awesome kit made by Lang Tools, even though Craftsman is garbage these days, but this is good. And sometimes you find a deal on it and it's cheap. It's like $40 or something. You can't find anything cheaper. Snap-on makes the same kit. They want hundreds of dollars, but the only difference is that they warranty it forever. And this place, you break a piece, you have to buy it, but it's only like $1 or $2, $3, $5, so no big deal. Back in the day in school, remember our teacher would never give us ratchets. He would give us a wrench, just so we developed that way of going like this. Give us a box wrencher, you know, instead of always going for a ratchet. I remember that. That guy's probably still there. That was fun. I was like the only kid who cared in the after-school activities. Doing breaks when I was 14 or 13 or something like that. That was pretty funny. It always worked. Get the E-Torx kit from Snap-on. I had a Lyle set. I wasn't too pleased with it. The Lyle set is not drilled all the way, so unless you have a drill press, you can modify it. But unlike something with a stud going through, it would always hit. And the Snap-on thing is drilled, so get Snap-on E-Torx. Don't be cheap. Buy good tools.